This plan will help you take the first step towards a healthier and fitter you. Don't worry if you haven't exercised in a while. This plan is designed with beginners in mind. We'll guide you through each day, providing simple and effective exercises to get you moving. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with this plan, and you'll be amazed by the progress you make in just 1 week. Before we dive into the workout plan, let's talk about the FITT principle. This principle will help you understand the key elements of an effective workout. Frequency: how often you exercise each week. Intensity: how hard you push yourself during a workout. Time: how long each workout session lasts. Type: the kind of exercise you do, like cardio, strength training, or stretching. We'll incorporate the FITT principle throughout the week, ensuring you challenge yourself without overdoing it. Let's start our week with a cardio session. Cardio is great for your heart and helps burn calories. Begin with 5 minutes of light cardio, such as walking or jogging in place. Aim for 20 minutes of moderate intensity cardio. This means you should be breathing slightly harder than usual, but still able to hold a conversation. You can choose an activity you enjoy, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Finish with 5 minutes of stretching. Today is all about building strength. Strength training is essential for overall fitness and health. It helps in building muscle mass, improving bone density, and boosting metabolism. You don't need fancy equipment for this workout. A minimalist home setup can be just as effective. All you need is some space and determination. We'll be using your own body weight for resistance. Body weight exercises are incredibly versatile and can be done anywhere. Begin with 5 minutes of light cardio, such as jumping jacks or high knees. This will get your heart rate up and prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. Perform 2 sets of 10 repetitions of each exercise squats. Make sure to maintain proper form to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. Push-ups. Feel free to do these against a wall or countertop if needed. Lunges. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and are great for building strength. And hold a plank for 30 seconds. Planks are excellent for core strength and stability. Finish with 5 minutes of stretching. Stretching helps in muscle recovery and flexibility. Try a seated stretch for your inner thighs to really target those muscles. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing yourself and you'll see progress. Day 3, Cardio Challenge. Time for another cardio session. Today, let's challenge ourselves by adding intervals. Begin with 5 minutes of light cardio for the warm-up. For the workout, alternate between 2 minutes of moderate intensity cardio and 1 minute of high intensity cardio for a total of 20 minutes. And to finish, cool down with 5 minutes of stretching. Day 4, Active Recovery. Today is a rest day, but that doesn't mean we're completely inactive. Active recovery helps our muscles recover and rebuild after exercise. Go for a leisurely walk or bike ride. Do some light stretching, or try a yoga class. Day 5, Strength Training Round 2. Today we dive back into our strength training routine, focusing on building muscle and improving endurance. Back to strength training today. It's essential to maintain consistency to see progress. We'll be repeating the exercises from day 2. Repetition helps in mastering the form and increasing strength. Begin with 5 minutes of light cardio, such as arm circles and leg swings for the warm-up. This helps to get your blood flowing and muscles ready for the workout. For the workout, perform 2 sets of 12 repetitions of each exercise. Squats. Squats are great for building lower body strength and improving balance. Push-ups. Remember, you can modify these. Lunges. Push-ups target your upper body, while lunges work on your legs and core. And hold a plank for 45 seconds. Planks are excellent for strengthening your core and improving stability. Finish with 5 minutes of stretching for the cool down. Stretching helps in reducing muscle soreness and improving flexibility. Pay attention to any tight areas and hold those stretches for a little longer. This ensures that your muscles recover well and stay flexible. Day 6, Cardio Boost. Let's end our week strong with a final cardio session. Begin with 5 minutes of light cardio for your warm-up. Then aim for 25 minutes of moderate intensity cardio. Choose an activity you enjoy and focus on maintaining a steady pace. Finally, finish with 5 minutes of stretching for your cool down. Day 7. Rest and reflect. Today is a well-deserved rest day. Take this opportunity to reflect on your progress over the past week. You've taken the first step towards a healthier lifestyle, and that's something to be proud of. Staying motivated on your fitness journey can be challenging, But with the right strategies, you can achieve your goals and enjoy the process. Find a workout buddy. Exercising with a friend can make it more fun and help you stay accountable. Set realistic goals that are specific, measurable, and time-bound. This will give you a clear target to aim for and a sense of accomplishment when you reach it. Don't try to do too much too soon. It's important to pace yourself and build up your fitness level gradually. Overexertion can lead to burnout or injury, which can derail your progress. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. Consistency is key, so find a routine that works for you and stick with it. It's okay to take breaks when you need them. Rest is an essential part of any fitness regimen, allowing your muscles to recover and grow stronger. Don't feel guilty about taking a day off when your body needs it. Don't push yourself to the point of injury. Incorporate stretching and proper warm-ups into your routine to prevent injuries. Remember, it's better to progress slowly than to be sidelined by an injury. Acknowledge your accomplishments and celebrate your successes along the way. Recognizing your progress can boost your motivation and keep you focused on your long-term goals. Celebrate the small victories as well as the big ones. Your feedback matters. Congratulations on completing this one-week beginner workout plan. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let me know how you found the workouts. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to ask. Remember, your fitness journey is just beginning.